Hi, hello. Welcome to Sharvij's channel. Today I was preparing ragi dosa with ragi powder, along with pre-prepared dosa batter and adding some vegetables. You can add any veggies you like. Ragi powder dosa using pre-prepared dosa batter and vegetables. Ingredients: 1 cup dosa batter, 4 tablespoons of ragi powder, 1 grated carrot, 1 finely chopped onion, 1 green chilies, salt to taste, oil or ghee for cooking. Cooking method: prepare vegetables, grate the carrot, and finally chop the onion and green chilies. Mix ingredients in a mixing bowl. Combine the dosa batter, ragi powder, grated carrot, chopped onion, green chilies, and salt. Mix well to ensure an even distribution of ingredients. Adjust consistency if the batter becomes too thick due to the addition of ragi powder. You can adjust the consistency by adding a little water. The batter should have a pouring consistency. Heat a non-stick dosa pan on medium heat. Ensure it's well heated before pouring the batter. Pour and spread batter. Pour a ladleful of the mixed batter onto the hot pan and spread it in a circular motion to form a thin dosa. Drizzle a little oil or ghee around the edges of the dosa and in the center. This adds flavor and helps in achieving a crispy texture. Cook until golden brown. Allow the dosa to cook until the edges start turning golden brown. This may take a couple of minutes. Flip and cook carefully. Flip the dosa using a spatula and cook the other side until it becomes crisp and golden brown. Serve hot once both sides are cooked to your liking. Remove the dosa from the pan and serve hot. Repeat the process for the remaining batter. Enjoy. Serve the ragi powder dosa with your favorite chutney or sambar for a wholesome and nutritious meal. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Sharvij channel. Thanks for watching.